Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review direct meds. Okay, so you should use this platform for taking any kind of weight loss program or any kind of treatment or any kind of medication or not. Is this brand legit and what are the main problems of this brand? So in this video we will cover lots of information. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand, Direct Med is a very popular and very old brand. Okay, and they have different kinds of treatments like skin and hair loss, weight loss, anti-aging. There are so many guys like programs. Okay, so you can choose anyone, but the thing is, when you use any program, their program is not totally free. You have to pay fees. Okay, and this is the example like when we checking some information on Trustpilot, we found that they have good reviews on Trustpilot, but some customers they don't have so much knowledge, they subscribe or they created account on their website, and they provide information, and after when they charge, when the brand charge on their account, they are you can like thinking like it was a trial period, but this is not a trial period. Like when you create your account on their website, you have activated subscription and you have to pay fees. Okay, like 3 month fees and you can like 6 month fee, depends on your time period which you have selected. So their program is not free of cost, you need to pay some fees. Now let's talk about you should buy any treatment or not. Yes, definitely you can buy treatment, and if we talk about like their weight loss and all, so there are so many brands also, they are also providing you same kind of treatments, so you can choose anyone, and each and every brand is providing same kind of treatments like trizeptide and semaglutide, so you can choose anyone, and this brand is also good. You can also choose this brand, and some brands is really expensive and some brands is on your budget, so you can choose the brand according to your need and according to your budget also. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if we talk about is this legit or not, yes, definitely this brand is 100% legit. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.